Anthropic just gave non-coders the same superpower that developers have been hoarding for months. It's called Claude Cowork, and it's about to make half your daily workflow feel embarrassingly manual. Here's what happened. Inside Anthropic, their marketing and data teams started ignoring Claude's chat interface. Instead, they jumped onto Claude Code, a tool built for developers. Why? Because chatting back and forth wasn't cutting it. They needed something that could handle messy, multi-step work without them babysitting every single prompt. Anthropic noticed this pattern wasn't just internal. Regular knowledge workers everywhere were hitting the same wall. So they built Claude Cowork. Same raw power as Claude Code, but wrapped in a simple interface for people who never want to see a terminal. And here's where it gets wild. Claude Cowork doesn't work like any AI assistant you've used before. You don't sit there feeding it one prompt at a time. You describe the outcome you want, walk away, and come back to finished work. Formatted documents, organized files, synthesized research, done. It runs right on your desktop. It reads your local files. It writes new ones. It moves between folders and applications without you coordinating a single step. No uploading. No downloading, no copy-pasting between windows. But that's not even the part that changes everything. Stay with me. Claude Cowork uses something called sub-agent coordination. It breaks your big task into smaller pieces and runs them in parallel. Think of it like having a team of assistants working at the same time, except they're all inside one system, and they actually talk to each other. Now let me show you where this gets practical. Your downloads folder right now is probably a disaster. Hundreds of random files piled up over months. You tell Claude to organize it by type and date. It sorts hundreds of files into clean, categorized folders. That alone would take you an hour. Claude does it in minutes. Got a pile of receipts? Drop them in a folder. Ask Claude to create a formatted expense report. It reads every receipt, pulls the data, and builds a polished spreadsheet with working formulas. Not a basic CSV, an actual Excel file with VLOOKUP, conditional formatting, and multiple tabs. But file management is just the beginning. Say you're researching a topic. You've got 15 articles, 3 PDFs, and a bunch of scattered notes. Normally, you'd spend half a day reading through everything trying to connect the dots. With Cowork, you share the sources, ask your question, and Claude pulls out what's relevant and hands you a summary ready for review. Legal teams can throw dense contracts at it. Claude reads through them and extracts exactly what matters in a clear, structured format. Finance teams can run outlier detection and time series analysis on data files without writing a single line of code. And here's a feature most people are completely sleeping on: scheduled tasks. You can set Claude to run specific jobs on a cadence you choose. Every Monday morning, it could organize your files, compile a weekly report, or pull fresh data and update a dashboard. It runs as long as your computer is awake and the desktop app is open. There's also mobile access on Pro and Max plans. You can message Claude from your phone, assign it a task, and it works on your desktop using your local files and connectors. You don't even have to be sitting in front of your computer. Cowork also connects to tools you already use: Google Drive, Gmail, DocuSign, FactSet. And with plugins, you can customize how Claude works for your specific role, team, or company. There's one more thing: projects. You can group related tasks into separate workspaces, each with their own files, instructions, and memory. So if you have a recurring client report or a monthly analysis, Claude remembers the context every time. No re-explaining, no starting from scratch. Now, here's the honest part. It's still a research preview. It eats through your usage faster than regular chat because agentic tasks are compute heavy. It doesn't support regulated workloads yet, and your conversation history stays stored locally, not in Anthropic's cloud. But the direction is unmistakable. Anthropic isn't building another chatbot. They're building a digital coworker that handles the boring, repetitive, high-effort tasks that eat up your entire day. The stuff you keep putting off because it takes too long. That work now gets done. The people who figure this out early are going to operate at a completely different speed than everyone around them. Thank you.